The historic impeachment trial of Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is officially over. Paxton is now officially reinstated as the state's highest elected attorney, but some lawmakers have questions about how the process unfolded. KVUE's Ford Sanders has a look at what comes next.
Warren Kenneth Paxton Jr. is hereby, at this moment, reinstated to office.
A majority of senators casting their votes to acquit Attorney General Ken Paxton on all of the articles of impeachment against him, marking the end of an unprecedented political trial in Texas.
It was a collaborative effort from all members. All of us studied past impeachments from all across the country.
Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick, the presiding officer in the trial, did not discuss his own beliefs during the proceedings, but once the verdict came in, he made it clear he felt this case was mishandled by the House of Representatives from the start.
We should amend the Constitution on the issue of impeachment as currently written that allowed this flawed process to happen. Any testimony given in a House impeachment investigation must be given under oath.
Former state representative and UT Austin political expert Sherry Greenberg says for the House, this was not a partisan issue.
It was overwhelming. I think there were only 20, state reps who didn't vote to impeach.
She notes a trial like this shows the dissension between the House and the Senate and also within the Republican Party.
I did always think that it would be difficult to get to 9 Republican members of the Senate.
Others have wondered if taxpayers paid for this trial. Paxton's attorneys say they were paid by Paxton himself, but for the House Board of Managers team, it's a different story.
17 lawyers over there, $500 an hour for each of them. Hundreds of thousands of dollars wasted. Taxpayer money wasted.
On Monday, Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick sent an official request for an audit.
A full audit of all taxpayer money spent by the House from the beginning of their investigation in March to their final bills they get from their lawyers. We will provide our cost as well that were forced on us by the House impeachment.
As this historic trial comes to an end, it's unclear what this means for other legal action against the AG. He still faces a federal investigation over the claims that led to his impeachment and separate securities fraud charges. In the studio tonight, Ford Sanders, KVUE News.